Good morning, everyone. I am Ritu Vora, and now I'm here to discuss how we learn in virtual mode. Firstly, definition. A virtual classroom is an online learning environment that allows for live interaction between the teacher and the learners as they are participating in learning activities. On the other hand, the virtual classroom is a shared online space where the learners and the tutor work together simultaneously. Here are the some key features of virtual classroom. First of all, high definition video conferencing, advanced interactive whiteboard, advanced collaboration and moderation, live screen sharing, polls and surveys, classroom activities, quiz, etc. Here are some advantages of virtual mode. Firstly, access to coursework from anywhere at any time. You have the freedom to study and complete your coursework from anywhere at any time that suits your busy schedule. And the next is effective time management. An online education provides a welcome environment for working adults who need to balance work and family with the new demands of going back to school. Right away, you save your hours every week, not having to communicate back and forth to class on campus. That's just the beginning. And the third is expanded worldview. Online degree programs attract students from across the US and around the world who brings different perspectives from diverse culture. You may have opportunities to work on group projects and collaborate with international classmates. And the next is immediate feedback on test. When you are enrolled in one of the many online degree programs available, you don't have to worry and wait for days for test results. You take your tests online and they're usually scored when you finished. And the last is sharpen digital skills. While increasing your knowledge and skills in your area of study, you'll also be honoring your digital skills or the most sophisticated online learning technology. Now, let us discuss some disadvantages of virtual mode. First of all, infrastructural challenges. Initially, there is a lot of expenditure to set up online classes. The infrastructure needs an upgrade to support the new technology, and in many cases, a lacking infrastructure forms a hurdle in supporting live virtual classes. Secondly, extra training. When using new technology, it is essential to know about it first. There are very few students and teachers who all are versed with the whole process. There are fewer chances of technical issues if the trainer or the student know how to troubleshoot them. Also, few teachers find it challenging to prepare soft copies of the lectures notes. Third, lack of social and emotional skill. Since classes take place over the internet, there is not much interaction or face to face communication among the students. Hence, one can observe that there is a loss of social and emotional skills in the child. Physical activity is compromised. When at institute, students move around and do all the kinds of activities that keep them fit. Online learning reduces their activities and leaves them confined to desk or laptop, just staring at the screen to learn what they have signed up for. Effects of excess screen time on students. We all know that the blue lights of these screens is damaging to a large extent. Constantly staring at the screen damages eyes and may lead many problems in future. Regular breaks and advice when using laptop and phone screens. And the most important point is reduce personal interaction between teachers and students. With teaching going digital, there's no physical approach in having brainstorming or question answer sessions between teacher and students, and the essence of physical classroom is lost with advent of technology and digital classes. Thank you.